See, the Catholic priest them again. A Kenyan priest in Jamaica associated with the Catholic Church has been charged, brought in. Me I gotta tell you where him ding a swing. What a nasty set of people. Them really evil.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the year every time.
Greetings and salutations. Yeah, I'm talking about my Jamaican. Big up all nation. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. Yeah, if it's the first time you're tuning in, ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button. Become a part of the Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman panel in Jamaica. The Jamaican Council report is disclosing to the news that they has charged a Roman Catholic priest facing a relation of the abuse that's caused egregious sexual harm to a young child, allegedly involving with a 12-year-old schoolgirl. They are released on Tuesday afternoon. The police confirmed that the priest, who is Kenyan, has been charged with 4 counts of sexual-related offense. The charges against the 39-year-old include sexual intercourse with a person under the age of 16, sexual touching of a child, grievous sexual assault, and abduction of the child fewer than 16-year-old. The police said that the alleged offense were committed on the afternoon of Sunday, 2023, but were only reported to authorities down in June. The incident reported took place at the Roman Catholic Church in Portmore, St. Catherine. I wonder if it was upon a stage at the altar or in the latrine. The complainant is 12, mirated just in a primary school. According to the police reports, are that the priest befriended the child and lured the child to his home, where he allegedly assaulted her. Just you know, the charges were filed after the man was positively identified by the complainant during an identification parade and a question and answer interview with the attorney and the police. The JCF said that it is committed to ensuring justice for all victims of this kind of offense and urge anyone with additional information related to this case to come forward to the police. Them said the priest's name has not been disclosed. Me no know. Wanna hide him up under him robe. I don't know why these liquor cats keep on licking the wrong cat. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. I'm here. We should ambush him with one big rock. I'm here on Jam Rock. We don't like that. The liquor cat priest them again. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Share this up for me, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment. Let me know why these liquor cats are doing this and that. Why them don't stop riding little boy them back. Why them no stop peel up the little girls them snatch? What is going on with these liquor cats? I know they are founded by the Romans and Roman, but we not in a this. We not in a that. We no want no man a ride no liquor yacht back. And we no want no praise from Roma licky cat. We no in a it. We no in a that. We no in a non-priest we a licky cat. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Subscribe, like, and share. The Rastaman is going viral again.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier real fire king. Yeah, bang bang bang, I can't wait
Pick up the TV. Respect. Make sure to tune